So, good morning, class 8. Let's study chapter number 9, The Bishop's Candlesticks from Les Miserables. So, what is the theme of this chapter? The theme of this chapter is the belief of forgiveness. Okay, once you forgive someone, then you are creating a very strong bondage in the relationship. So learn to forgive the mistakes, and if you learn to forgive the mistakes, then life will be beautiful. So let us see the quality of forgiveness in action. The next morning at sunrise, Monsignor Bienvenu was strolling in his garden. Madame Magloire ran up to him in utter consternation. So, who is called a Monsignor? Monsignor is a title given to a high rank, given to a priest of a high rank in the Roman Catholic Church. And consternation means worried, somebody who is worried. So, Monsignor, she exclaimed, does your grace know where the basket of silver is? So, she is worried. Who is worried? Madame Magloire. She ran up to whom? She ran up to Monsieur Bienvenu and asked that does your grace know? So she was worried about what? She was worried about a basket of silver. Yes, replied the bishop. Jesus, the Lord be blessed, she said. Who is called a bishop? The bishop is the priest of the church. Jesus, the Lord be blessed, she resumed, means she is relieved that yes, bishop knows where the basket of silver is. I don't know what had become of it. So she is telling that I don't know what had become of it. I have lost it. The bishop had just picked up the basket in a flower bed. He presented it to Madame Magloire. So he was collecting flowers in that basket. The silvers were not there. He was simply collecting flowers in the basket. Who? The bishop. He presented it to Madame Magloire. Here is it. Well, she said, nothing in it. And the silver? Ah, returned the bishop. So it is the silver which troubles you. So bishop had understood that it is the silver which is concerning Madame Magloire and not the basket. Great, good God, it is stolen. The man who was here last night has stolen it. So Madame Magloire is in a panic. Why she is panicking? Because the silvers that were in the basket has been stolen and it's not here. So that is why somebody must have been sheltered in their home last night, and that man would have stolen the silver. So in a twinkling, it means very quickly. In a twinkling means in a very quickly. With all the vivacity of an alert old woman, Madame Magloire had rushed to the oratory, entered the alcove, and returned to the bishop. So what is an oratory? Oratory is a room or small building that is used for private prayer or worship. So she rushed into the oratory where they used to pray and entered the alcove. Alcove is an area in a room that is formed by the part of a wall being built farther back than the rest of the wall. So it is an extra space. In a house, it's an extra space. It's called an alcove, and returned to the bishop. So she went inside, she searched in the oratory, entered into the alcove, still she couldn't get the silver, and then she returned to the bishop. The bishop had just bent down and was sighing as he examined the plant of Cochlearia des Guillinons. So what is that flower? A flowering herb from the cabbage family. So ये गोभी है, गोभी के type. So which the basket had broken as it fell across the bed. He rose up at Madame Magliore's cry. So basket had broken as it fell across the bed. He rose up at Madame Magliore's cry. Means something tremendous had happened. Madame Magloire came to Bishop and shouted in such a manner that Bishop got frightened and he woke up suddenly. Monsignor, the man is gone. The silver has been stolen. As she uttered this exclamation, her eyes fell upon a corner of the garden where traces of the wall have been scaled were visible. The coping of the wall had been torn away. So coping means the top row of the bricks or stones usually sloping a wall. So somebody has escaped over the wall. Means the man who was there last night had stolen the silver and then he have crossed the wall, means over the wall, and then went. As the wall was too much high, what did he do? What did that man do? The thief do? The thief took out some removed some bricks from there, and then it was easy for him to cross the wall. So that is why what did he do? Traces of the wall having been scaled. Scaled means it was removed off. The bricks were removed from the wall. Okay, it was not properly cemented and it was loose. So that is why it was easy for the thief to pick the bricks up and then keep it in the other place. Stay, yonder is the way he went. He jumped over into Cockfillet Lane and the abomination. He has stolen our silver. Something extremely offensive means a severe punishment. Okay, a severe sinful thing is called abomination. So yonder is the way he went. He jumped over the Cockfillet Lane, and so in which direction did he go? He jumped over into the Cockfillet Lane. Means the road was known as Cockfillet Lane. The abomination. He has stolen our silver. So we will continue this in our next class. So class 8, please do follow the lines carefully and study it nicely. We will discuss all the doubts in our online class. So keep your doubts, okay, from regarding chapters. Suppose we will be doing first chapter number 6. So in chapter number 6, regarding all the doubts, you keep it in a diary or note it down, so that when there is time, you will be asking me one by one. Okay, so I hope this chapter will make you more enthusiastic. You will come to know in the next class that how forgiveness, means forgiving others for their mistakes, is a power of God. Okay, it makes you more strong and the other accepts their guilt. So by this we come to the end of, not the end of the chapter, but today's end. We will continue this in the next class. Thank you, class 8. Have fun, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.